And that breaking news concerns an earthquake that hit New York and New Jersey. And we felt it up here in southern New England as well. The U.S. Geological Survey puts the preliminary magnitude at 4.8 and says the epicenter was in Lebanon, New Jersey. It struck at 10:23 this morning. Wow, this video just released a short time ago shows the moment the earthquake hit. This is from a coffee shop in Boonton, New Jersey. That's about a half an hour northeast of Lebanon. You can hear the plates rattle and people reacting inside the shop. New York City felt the brunt of it, but so far there are no reports of any major damage. We've heard from many of our viewers who phoned in telling us they felt their homes or offices shaking too. Let's get right on over to Storm Team 10's Jason Dorse for all the details. What you got, Jason?
Hey there, Barb. And yeah, a lot of us here in southern New England did feel the shaking of the ground as the earthquake was happening. The epicenter in New Jersey, as we just talked about. The official epicenter from the USGS is the reference point of White House, New Jersey there. And that is where at 10:23 we did have that 4.8 magnitude earthquake. Now, we did feel it from Boston basically all the way down to D.C. and the USGS estimates here in Rhode Island and Bristol County, Massachusetts, we felt anywhere between about a 2.9 and about a 3.1 magnitude of the earthquake, or the ground rather, shaking. But this is the strongest earthquake we've had in the Northeast since 2002. So it's been over 20 years since we have seen an earthquake of this magnitude. And the 4.8 is right on that threshold, but slightly below it of when we typically start to see a little bit of damage associated with earthquakes. That's usually right around a magnitude 5. So thankfully, as of right now, still no reports of any major structural damage, and hopefully it's going to stay that way. Across the area this afternoon, it is a chilly 30s and 40s, and unfortunately, those temperatures not going to be getting much better. Clouds are in place, and they're going to be with us through the rest of the afternoon. And then we're going to be talking some more precipitation for this weekend. I'll let you know what to expect coming up in my full forecast in just a couple of minutes. Barb?